The Defense and Security Equipment International, better known as DSEI, was held this past week in London, where drones were on display. Defense News Weekly was there to bring you this from the show.
So we're here at DSEI at the Instaboot, a Finnish company, to speak to them about their new line and showcasing their new drone, the Still Eagle. With me, I have two company representatives. So to start off, I know it's your first time exhibiting at the conference. Do you want to tell us a little bit more about this new product?
Oh yes, it's a unique product with a unique charts designed in Finland with three companies involved. Insta Group from our defense business, we are the prime contractor in this product, and we have for the charts itself, we have a companionship with a company called Forsit from Finland, and then the drone manufacturers, Nordic Drones, also from Finland. So it's a unique product, Finnish expertise, and doesn't contain anything from the non-Finnish in that sense. Yeah, the range at the moment for the version we are coming to the market, it's approximately 6 kilometers. It's very capable for in the tactics ways of defending of your own territory. So it's very suitable for example, for the missions that we see every day in Ukraine at the moment.
Do you want to tell us more about other platforms that the company has or is working on?
Yeah, we have also Steel Lynx, which is jumping charge, which mainly is one solution to our defense forces to do our aerial denial tactics, and I've been compared it with a claymore. So it's a top-down same effector as the Steel Eagle has. So 3,000 fragments from 20 meters in a 2,000 square meter area.
We're here at the Rainmetal booth at DSEI. I have with me a company representative who's going to be speaking about one of the latest drones that the company has. It is the first time they are showing it at DSEI. So do you want to tell us a little bit more about its capabilities?
Yeah, this is the Luna NG, our latest technology-based UAS, unmanned aerial system. This is up to 110 kilos, so it's a quite large one for small UAVs. Nevertheless, this is designed as a reconnaissance UAV, but with the capability of up to 30 kilos payload. This drone can be used as well as multi-purpose drone for electronic warfare, or as we displayed here in a combat version. So it's possible to arm it with sub-munition like these sub-UAVs. Or this glide bomb here, or the teaming case together with these Hero family loitering ammunitions. And the system covers a range of up to 100 to 150 kilometers by a digital data link, and its endurance is up to 12 hours. So this is a quite fancy system.
And how long ago was it developed? When did you start working on this system?
Oh, several years ago. The system Luna NG is operated by a customer since 2017. And this system, together with new developments and the latest state-of-the-art technology, will be provided for the German armed forces by 2025.
So we're here today at the Ukrainian pavilion at DSEI, where I'm going to be speaking with the manufacturer of the Punisher drone. So do you want to tell us about this drone that is 100% Ukrainian made?
Thank you very much. It's Punisher multi-usage striking drone. It's possible to make payload like unguided bombs up to 3 kilos and striking the mission up to 45 kilometers. And right now it's quite widely used on the Ukrainian battlefields against Russian forces. We have more than 70 crews right now working on this drone, so we are proudly introduced into the world market. But right now, as you know, we have in war, so maybe we will sell later. Right now, we need to increase manufacture for Ukrainian army, Ukrainian armed force, because demand it's really big. They grow maybe 4 or 5 times in order to meet demand of our military, in order to kill as many Russians as possible. Sorry.
And how long ago was this drone developed? How long has it been operational?
Actually, our team started working in 2016, and the first strike, it was almost 5 years ago. It was first successful strike. And after that,
2018.
it's it was 2018, absolutely, and in September it was first successful mission. After that, we showed our drone. It was like prototype. We showed to our military, but until before the invasion, it was nobody was really interested in order to put to our military. Right now, they have great demand, but in order to meet this demand, we need to grow manufacture, and it's quite a challenge during the war because many people, many specialists right now on the battlefields. So it's not an easy task.
And I see here that you have unguided missiles.
Yeah.
Can you tell me a little bit about how you integrate those on the drone, if you have plans to integrate it with other missiles types?
Actually, these first unguided missiles, which we use still, it was made just for special operations. There is no trace when you use it because it's plastic with plastic explosives and so on. Right now, we are doing all certification process and manufacturing in order to produce it properly with our licensing, with our demands, legal demands, in order to produce it and to give it to military. Because right now, our crew, they use it and they put explosives by themselves. It's shame, but right now in Ukraine there is no unguided bombs for drones. It was not.
That are cost effective
Yeah. Of course, but we need to do it properly with it, like industrial base. So, and we are looking for some partners maybe for bombs too, because we know how to do it. We know how to do it for different purposes. So, step by step. We don't want to use guided bombs because we don't need it. Actually, our accuracy using our ballistic calculator, it allows us to hit target with up to 2 meters from target. It's direct hit. So actually, and as soon as unguided, it's cheapest. So we want to keep this lowest cost of mission, and because for us it's there are many enemies, so many soldiers. We need to kill as much as possible. We need to make it cheap. There is no cost effective to send bomb for few $1,000s, for even some dozens or $1,000. We want to use it so much cheaper. This one is few hundred.